Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all know that winters are already in, so I thought to share a few useful hacks that can be helpful for you to save your skin from skin dryness. The number one hack is mixing a little bit of aloe vera gel into your face wash. Just take a little bit of aloe vera gel and mix it into your face wash and use this mixture to wash your face. The aloe vera helps to clean your face without making it super dry. The next tip is to avoid taking much time in washing your face. Wash your face as quickly as possible without rubbing for long, as prolonged rubbing can take off the natural oils of your skin and thereby making it dry. The third hack is to use facial oils before applying your moisturizer. If you have super dry skin in winters, nothing can help you better than the face oil. Take out few drops of facial oil onto your hand, spread it all over your face and then massage it gently for 2 minutes. Push the product into your skin and leave it for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes, apply your moisturizer. The face oil helps to keep your skin moisturized for the whole day. The fifth hack is to use a humidifier for your room. A humidifier adds moisture to the surrounding air, thereby preventing excessive loss of moisture from your skin. If you don't have a humidifier and not planning to invest into a humidifier, worry not. I'll tell you a hack for this. You can use your facial steamer as a humidifier. Just pour some water in it, add few drops of vaporizer oil for fragrance and soothing effect, connect it to the power and keep it in. In case you don't have a facial steamer, you can also use a bowl of hot water, but please be careful if you have kids at your home. So that was all for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you really did, please hit the like button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.